Hey guys, it's Andrea and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases. I'm sorry if you can hear it raining outside, but it's just been raining so much, so it's so hard to avoid it. Maybe it'll be a little bit of a nice ambiance, but I'll go ahead and get into this week's new releases. Along with this week's new releases, I will be doing the mystery reveal, I think on Wednesday, so that'll be shipping soon as well. So these releases will go live Wednesday at noon Eastern. I have new exclusive art along with 2 new collections, extras from a foil bundle from the mystery, 10 doodles, and then also some new foil sheets. So let's go ahead and get into it. First things first is I do have 10 new scripts, and these are our top 10 selling scripts in Sparkly Hollow. They are the same design as like Grocery Run in rose gold, gold, silver, and hollow. I won't be doing all the scripts just because there's so many. I just decided to pick the top 10 best-selling scripts to do in Sparkly Hollow. So let's go ahead and go through the top 10. Go ahead and zoom you guys in. So first thing we do have, actually it's gonna be easier to pick up this way. We have Grocery Run, Starbucks Run, the Fast Food Sampler, Tidy Up, With My Love, Planning Time, Payday, Work, of course. I think that's probably our top selling of all time. Work Out, and also In My Feelings. So those 10 script sheets will be coming to the shop Wednesday noon Eastern, and again, those are in Sparkly Hollow. Then we do have 10 new doodles for this week. So these are like kind of like Nespresso pods. So this is 111 through 120. You just have little takeout boxes, the little post bin, a stand mixer, some sticker sheets, cans of pop, some little tea bags, some cupcakes, cake slices, and also some shopping bags. And these are all in the same colorway as normal, which is a really pretty pastel that I feel like goes with every kit. Then, like I said, we do have a foil bundle that was left over from Mystery. I believe this is from, is it March, April? The like tea party one, I believe. And this is, it's gonna be so hard to see. All of the hollow this week is so hard to see on camera. So this is the Twinkle Hollow foil bundle. So we have some extras of these. So perfect for building your stock and collection. So you do have 6 full boxes with headers on the side. You get 2 sheets of that. You get 2 sheets of the bougie boxes. And then there is icons and scripts along with then the bottom washi, the fancy headers, the deco, and then also the date numbers. So that'll be available Wednesday at noon Eastern as well. Then let's go ahead and get into the kits for this week. Like I said, we do have 3. I think next week we might only have 2, but I'm not totally sure. Maybe I'll do an extra foil bundle next week. So the first collection here is exclusive art. It's new and it's so good. I want to use this. I think I want to use it in like August or September. I just think it's perfection. So this is called Tink, and I kind of wanted to do like a Tinkerbell kit, but kind of make it like a little bit like fairy core, but still have like the Peter Pan elements. I think this turned out super cute. So let's go ahead and get into this one. So here are the full boxes. So you have like Tink here, and then there's just like another girl with like little flowers in her pocket. Lots of super cute elements. You have like a little Animal Crossing situation here, Peter Pan book, a teacup, some like cross stitch type situation with like sewing and buttons and scissors, and just a super cute little mirror with some pixie dust. And then you got like mushrooms, super cute little deer. This is just such a cute little like fairy kind of scene. I just love everything about it. I think it turned out so cute. And then the extra full box is Tink with the fairy wings in the background as a tall box, which I think is super cute. You have tons of deco here, your glitter header page, your half boxes, your solid labels, pattern labels, your bottom washi, and then the extra freebie here is the clear with the black script. So that is the ultimate kit for Tink. It also does come in a mini kit. All of the kits this week, and like most weeks, are in ultimate and mini. Also wanted to mention that the 7-year bundle is I put it on sale last week, but I'm also going to keep it on sale for this week. And then after that, I will probably take it down and offer the items a la carte, but they will be at the full a la carte price. So best price is current. So here is the mini kit. And then let me show you guys the add-on. So you do have the 15mm strip. You also do have the label sampler, and then there is also an add-on if you want to add on the extra fashion option. So that is Tank. I think it's super cute, and I hope that you guys love it because I've never done a Tinkerbell specific kit. Let's go into this kit, which is called Sparkle Party. A lot of people noticed that whenever the Misfit kits, people were starting to show them that this kit was in there. I think actually the next kit was too. So these two kits I actually had formatted in the previous format, but just totally forgot to release them in that format. And so I ended up putting them in the Misfit kits and then just reformatting it to the new format. A lot of comments I saw said this would be perfect for a birthday party, New Year's Eve, graduation, just any type of celebration is super cute. I love the colors. I feel like this would be really fun with so many different foils, like a pink sparkly or like a sparkly hollow, silver. I think champagne lights would also be pretty with this, a copper, like lots of options here. So here are your full boxes. So just really full kind of like glam, party, pretty, sparkly. Your extra full boxes over here are super cute as well with the bar cart and the little makeup station. I love the colors. I think they're really nice, like neutral pink and gray. So pretty, your solid, your pattern, and your really pretty like peachy bottom washi. And then last but not least, you also do have the script freebie as well. So it does also come in the mini kit. And then let me go ahead and show you guys the add-ons here. So you do have the 15mm strip, the label sampler, and then also there is a fashion add-on option. Super cute. So love that. Then the next kit is called Shopping Spree, which again, I think was also one of the ones that we didn't release, but then we just reformatted to the new format. So it also does come in a mini kit. Okay. So this one's just a really pretty like anytime shopping kit. I love the colors with the like charcoal and the pink with like the like kind of light like dusty lavender and the marble. I just think this is super cute. It would work really well with our marble multicolor. And the extra boxes here, you have like a little sticker shopping situation and then also a like selfie in the mirror, which is so cute. I love this pattern. It's like a barcode on the pink, which I think is super cute. And also the polka dots on the charcoal is really pretty as well. So this is just a really nice anytime kit. I think it'd be really nice for September if you wanted to do like a Black Friday kit, a back to school shopping kit. I just think it's super cute. And again, with the black and clear script freebie, again, does also come in a mini kit. And then there is options if you want to add on the 15mm strip, the label sampler, and then also the fashion add-on. So that's everything for this week. I hope that you guys like this week's new releases. They'll be up Wednesday at noon Eastern. Again, I also will have the mystery kit reveal up on Wednesday. So I hope that you guys like this video, and I will talk to you guys in my next one.